Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are doing good job at your home and enjoying the online classes from your home. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So, students, today I am here with the exercise of chapter number 3, that is animals that helps us. So my dear students, before starting the exercises of this chapter, let's have an let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in the introduction of this chapter, I told you that when we look in our surrounding, we discover different kind of animals. Animals are found all over the world. They are different sizes, shapes, color, and in kinds of places they live in. Animals are living beings and need food, water, and shelter to live like human beings. Domestic animals. So students, in this chapter we had also learned about domestic animals, and animals help us in many ways, and about pets also. So students, domestic animals are those animals that depend on humans for its shelter, food, water, and general care. So these animals are called domestic animals. For example, cow, horse, sheep, pig, etc. So students, the domestic animal is divided into two parts, that is farm animals and pet animals. So my dear student, the animals that can be kept at farms or kept at farms and tamed by us are called farm animals, and the animals that helps us in many ways, like guarding our house and chases mice away. Animals that can be kept at our home are called pets, or you can say that animals that live in our homes are called pets, like dog, rabbit, parrot, etc. These are pet animals. So students, animals help us in many ways, like we get milk from animals like cow, goats, and buffaloes, and we used milk to make food such as butter, cheese, ghee, and curd. These foodstuffs are called milk products. So students, animals also give us egg, honey, wax, meat, silk, wool, leather, etc. And animals such as oxen, horses, donkeys, elephants, and camels carry heavy loads for us. So students, some animals help us to move from one place to another. It means animals are very helpful to us. Now let's do the exercise. Animals that can be kept at home or on farms are called blank animals. So students, here two examples are given: wild and domestic animals. So my dear students, you know very well, animals that can be kept at home or in farms are called domestic animals. So you have to write domestic in the given blank. Now look at the second, filling the blanks. Milk helps us to blank. So students, in the explanation of chapter, I told you that milk helps us to grow and stay healthy. So here you have to write grow and stay healthy in the given blank. Now look at the next one. Blank is used to make candles. So students, you know very well beeswax is used to make candles. So you have to write beeswax in the given blank. Now look at the next one. Blank is used to make saris. So students, here two options are given, silk and wool. So students, you know very well wool is used to make sweaters and mufflers. Wool is used to make woolen cloths, while silk is used to make saris, scarves, etc. So here our answer is silk. So you have to write silk in the given blank. Now let's come to the fifth one. We get blank from the skin of dead animals. So students, here two options are given, leather and silk. So you know very well we get leather from the skin of dead animals, and silk is we get silk from the silkworm, not from the skin of dead animals. So here our answer is leather. So you have to write we get leather from the skin of dead animals. Now let's come to the question number B, that is choose the correct option. So students, here four options are given in each question. The first one is, in which of these places do we find animals? So students, you know very well we find animals in many places like forests, farms, homes. So here our answer is all of these, that is option number D. Now let's come to the next one. Which of these animals cannot be tamed and kept at homes? So students, let's read the option. Option number A, foxes and jackals. So students, we cannot be tamed these foxes and jackals, and we can't keep at homes because they are dangerous. Like lions, tigers, snakes and crocodiles, all are dangerous to us. So we cannot be tamed and kept at homes. So here our answer is option number D, that is all of these. Now let's come to the next one. Which of these animals would you keep in a stable? So students, you know very well cow are kept in shed, hen is kept in coop, and horse is kept in a stable. So here our answer is horse. So you have to tick the option number C, that is horse. Now let's come to the question number 4. Which of these are not milk products? So students, you know very well ghee and curd, ice cream and curd, butter and cheese, all are the milk products. So the option number D, that is honey and eggs, is not milk products. So here our correct answer is option number D, that is honey and eggs. Now let's come to the fifth one. Which of these are not made of leather? So students, jackets, belts, shoes and bags are made of leather. So the sweater and saris are not made of leather. Sweaters are made of wool and saris are made of silk. So here our correct option is option number C, that is sweaters and saris. Now let's come to the last one. Which of these do we get eggs from? So students, you know very well We get eggs from hens and ducks. So, our exercise number A and B are completed now. I hope you understand these exercises with the help of this video. So, you have to write this in your CW copy and you have to learn also. So, till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.